You want a gate that's going to last long and look good with your home. You don't want a gate that's going to sag and fail after a few years of install. Here's why we design and install custom steel frame gates. Our steel frame gates are durable. They're made from custom welded iron that we manufacture at our shop before the install. We design our custom gates to last years and years, opening and closing properly and protecting your driveway and home. We spend hours upon hours custom welding your steel frame gate to match any type of fence material for your home. Like this custom horizontal steel frame gate, where we blended the cedar boards to the steel frame beautifully. Our steel frames also work perfectly with our vinyl fences. This steel backing will allow this vinyl gate to last years and years to come. Or we could get fancy with your gate and give you a fully steel custom gate that gives your home an elegant look. We design and manufacture these gates from scratch. So whatever custom design you're looking for, we could do it for you. So if you're looking for a steel frame gate for your home, head over to bespokefence.com, click that Get an Estimate button, give us some information about the gate you want, and one of our team members will be reaching out and get you a gate that's made for you.